Most Reddit users get flares wrong. They think they are just decorative, but they can actually communicate your expertise, interests, or status within a community. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change flare on Reddit, step by step. Step 1. Open Reddit and navigate to the subreddit where you want to change your flare. Not every subreddit supports flares, so check first. Step 2. On desktop, look at the right-hand sidebar for community options where your username under the member list. On mobile, tap the three dots in the top right and select Change Flare. Step 3. A menu will appear with available flares. Some subreddits allow text customization, while others offer predefined icons or labels. Choose the one that best represents you. Step 4. If the subreddit allows, type your custom text, adjust colors, and save. Your flare will appear next to your username in posts and comments, letting others see your identity or expertise at a glance. Step 5. If you want to remove your flare later, repeat the steps and select None or Remove Flare. The surprising truth is that flares can impact how your posts are perceived. Most people get this wrong by ignoring flare entirely or not keeping it up to date. Properly using flare can make your content more credible and recognizable in active communities. In conclusion, changing your Reddit flare is simple but powerful. Use it to show your identity, interests, or expertise, and keep it updated to make the most of your Reddit experience. Subscribe for more Reddit tips, tricks, and how-to guides to improve your community engagement.